Hey friends, welcome to the YouTube channel all about electronics. So in this question, we have been given this current mirror circuit and here we have been asked to find the number of transistors or the value of the N in a such a way that the error in the output is less than 10%. So as you are aware, this current mirror circuit is used to generate the several copies of this reference current. Now if we neglect the effect of the beta, or if we assume that the beta is very large, then this I1, I2 and IN will be equal to I reference. But if we also include the effect of beta, then this output current will be less than the I reference. Because if you see over here, this reference current gets divided into the three branches. This current is equal to the collector current, while these two currents will be the base currents. So this current will be equal to IC divided by beta, and here this is the base current for the N transistors. That means this current is equal to N times IC divided by beta. So from this we can say that this current I reference is equal to IC plus N plus 1 times IC divided by beta. Or from this we can say that this IC is equal to I reference divided by 1 plus N plus 1 divided by beta. So this will be the collector current of each transistor. Or in other words, we can say that it is equal to the output current, that is the IN. So as you can see, as the value of N increases, then the error in this output current will increase. So here we need to find the value of N in a such a way that the error in the output current is less than 10%. That means this current IN should be greater than I reference minus 10% of I reference. That means the error in the output current should be less than 10%. Or in other words, we can say that this IN should be greater than 0.9 times I reference. So from this we can say that I reference divided by 1 plus N plus 1 divided by beta, that is the value of IN, should be greater than 0.9 times I reference. And here we have been given that the value of the beta is 100. So from this we can say that 1 divided by 1 plus N plus 1 divided by 100 should be greater than 0.9. Or in other words, we can say that this 1 plus N plus 1 divided by 100 should be less than 1 divided by 0.9, that is equal to 1.111. That means we can say that this N plus 1 divided by 100 should be less than 0.111. That means N plus 1 should be less than 11.1. Or we can say that the value of the N should be less than 10.1. That means if the value of N is equal to 10, in that case the error in the output current will be less than the 10%. And to see that, let us put the value of N in earlier expression. That means IN is equal to I reference divided by 1 plus N plus 1 divided by beta. So in this expression, if we put the value of N as 10, then the value of this current IN will come out as 0.9009 times I reference, which indicates that here the error is less than 10%. So from this we can say that the maximum value of the N is equal to 10. That means for the given question, the value of the N will be equal to 10.